What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. It's me, Sunny, and today is day 2 of my Ftmo challenge. If you guys remember, yesterday I had 2 trades open and I was like floating about 1200. Um, I also opened up 2 more trades yesterday, and I actually took a loss on one of them. So here, as we can see, so far it's been one uh, trading day, one full trading day. My maximum loss, I can't go over 5,000. I was in drawdown actually today on a trade, a couple of trades where it reached about like 3,800, and I ended up closing one of those trades. So I took a loss today. So I have 3 more trades that are still open and floating. So definitely want to stay below this maximum 10,000 loss. And my profit target so far right now is negative 2,000. So if I scroll down, here's the trade that I took and ended up closing today. It was GBP, JPY. So I took a loss about 2,100 on that. Here it is. So I still have 3 more trades open. So far it's been one day. I have 30 days to pass this challenge. So let me go ahead and open up my MetaTrader so I can show you guys the 3 trades I have open currently. All right, so we got Euro CAD, CAD franc, and Euro AUD. So those are the 3 trades that I currently have open that I'm floating. So it's about what, $67 in profit now. So since today is what, Friday, January 15th, I know the market is closed on Saturday and Sundays. So I'll be holding these trades. With the challenge, they allow you to hold the trades over the weekend. But once you pass the challenge, I don't think you're allowed to do that. You have to close them, I believe, on Fridays before the market closes. So I'm going to be holding these trades over the weekend, and I'll give you guys an update Monday, which will be day 3 of my FTMO challenge. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.